Now, welcome back. Now, are any of you losers have no friends? It's been like a month of summer. I don't know. I can't tell time. Just been laying in your bed, make YouTube videos, only get like 2 views on each of them. And if you're trying to record a video and you're sitting on the ground because you're too lazy to even stand up for your own video and don't even look at the camera most of the time, if you answered yes to any of those, then god damn, you're just like me. You don't want to be like me. Can't even look at the camera. If you answered yes to any of these questions, then I got the thing for you if you want to be the cool kid on the block. Hey. And you must be wondering, what could this be? Could I actually have friends? Could I actually not die and stop choking? Just look at all of the cool tricks. You can spin it. Do tricks. Oh. Did it. Look at her go, and she's not that loud at all. Look how mesmerizing she is. Now she is a keeper. Just look at those amazing graphics of this fidget spinner.